Yeah, go on in there and get a drink, girl. This is about the halfway point of our walk into the woods along the park here. So far we've seen deer, chipmunk, an egret, all kind of wildlife here in the park. Natural beautiful setting, and you're breathing in the fresh air. And it's posted so you don't do any logging in here. Logging, or what are the restrictions we got? County of Erie. No hunting, trapping, all motorized vehicles. Well, I see some people in here with trail bikes pedaling around. And that's a lot of trees to slam into. Happy Sunday morning, YouTubers. Enjoy it.